Hey lovely, today we're going to talk about using paper texture in digital art. When we draw digitally, our artwork can start to feel a little bit sterile. By adding some paper texture, you can really kind of get that hand-done feel. It feels like you can touch it, and it just adds a little bit more depth to your artwork. Here's an example of one of my illustrations without the paper texture. It looks okay, but it's just feeling a little bit flat. And here it is with the paper texture, and it's just adding a little bit more of that depth and that hand-done feel. I'm going to share 3 easy ways that you can add that paper texture to your artwork. To demonstrate this, I'm going to be using my iPad Pro and Procreate. The first method is to take a real piece of paper that you like the look of. You can either scan it in or take a picture of it. Import that photo into your Procreate canvas and set that layer style to multiply. Then, if you want even more texture, you can just keep duplicating that layer. The second method is to find some paper online. There's a great website called Graphic Burger, and they have this really awesome free paper texture pack, and I will link that below. You'll add that paper texture to your canvas the same way that you did in method 1. The third method is to find a Procreate paper texture brush pack. One of my favorites to use is the Max Packs watercolor brush set. There's a hot press paper texture brush that I love to use. Then just add a new layer to your composition, and you can draw your brush on that layer and set your layer style to multiply. Then just duplicate that layer to however many times you want, depending on how much texture you want. And there you have it. That's 3 easy ways to add paper texture to your artwork. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. It helps me to make more of them for you. You can follow my art journey on Instagram and shop my art prints on Etsy. Stay sparkly.